Well packaged for safe delivery. The inside is protected with cardboard and foam for added safety. Overall product appearance. Comes with dedicated accessories. Gas connector. Shower set. Hanging chain. Hardware pack plus adapter. Insert the battery. Connect the gas pipeline. Install hot water outlet quick connect fittings. Connect the inlet and outlet. Gas tightness test. Place the water pump. Features both full energy saving mode and power mode. Standard mod. Jet mode. Shower mode. Adjust the temperature